I want to introduce one of our winners from MTF Hack Camp in Boston, Carl Panic. Come and join me up here, dude. I know that you worked on something in a team, but you also worked on your own project independently as well, and I saw you throw this thing together in such impressively rapid time. I was actually quite disgusted because you hacked something much faster than I did, and I got really jealous, like a little child. Yeah, have you got a... Mike,
yes.
Are we good to go? Let's...
Cool, you can see.
Awesome. Show us what it does, dude.
Okay, this is kind of a story because I was teaming up with some guys up in the hack camp, and the original idea was to use these leap motion controllers and then feed them into a Raspberry Pi and then have a pure data patch, creating some sound and then broadcasting that over the network, so that you would be able to wear this and kind of play with it at the same time and jam with each other. But it turned out that the Raspberry Pi is not really something that you can nicely work with or set up very fast. So it was really slowing us down just setting up the Raspberry Pi. And so at some point we just decided to do another project. But all the work that went into the first project, I wanted to kind of not lose and wanted to do something with it. So I just took what I did, which is taking the leap motion. I wrote this JavaScript, which is translating the leap motion into OC values, and I'm then sending them via OC to my reactor patch. And this is my own private reactor patch, which I did not within this hack camp, but before that. And yeah, so I just really fast threw everything together so it works. But I think it works quite nicely. So this is a Stephen Fry challenge hack also. Yeah, it's a granular thing. It's inspired by the great software called PaulStretch, which just stretches audio like 20 times slower, something like that, and like these really nice spheres are coming out of there. So that's what I tried to recreate with this, and I just hooked it up to what I did last night with the leap motion. Okay, I'm gonna play.
The boys called me the Towering Inferno, but perhaps because the headmaster was also a pipe smoker. The habit itself went unchallenged.
C is
for convict,
for candle, for corporal, for common
pursuit,
for cessation. All they boys are fools. Christopher
Thanks.